Hello kids, welcome to NN Champs. In this video, we will learn about the interesting topic water. After this video, you will learn about what is the sources of water and what is the uses of water and how to save the water. So let's start. First, sources of water. We will get water from two sources. One is natural sources and another one is man-made sources. First, let's start with natural sources. First one is rain. Rain is the main source of fresh water on earth. Next, rivers. Flowing water used for drinking, farming and transport. Next, lakes. Large water bodies storing fresh water. Next, oceans and seas. It contains salt water and not used for drinking. Next, glaciers. Frozen water in mountains. Next, groundwater. Water stored underground. Next, we'll see about man-made sources. Man-made sources are wells, hand pumps, tube wells, and dams and reservoirs. Next, we'll see the uses of water. We will use waters in different places. Those are at home, in agriculture, in industries, for living things, and for other uses. Let's see one by one. In home, how we are using the water? First, for drinking. Next, cooking. Next, bathing. Next, washing clothes and utensils. In agriculture, we will use water for watering the crops, growing food plants. In industries, we will use water for making goods, cleaning and cooling machines. Animals will use water for drinking. Plants will use water to grow. Other uses are firefighting, generating electricity, and for the recreation. For example, we can use water for swimming and boating. Next, how to save water. We can save water in many ways. Those are: turn off taps when not in use, fix leaking taps and pipes, use a bucket instead of a shower, reuse water. For example, water from washing vegetables for plants. Next, rainwater harvesting. This is the most effective way to save rainwater. Do not waste drinking water. Water plants in the morning or evening. Spread awareness about saving water. Hope you have learned the interesting facts of the water. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.